We've got a hooker. There she is.
Hi,
November.
everybody.
But last night, good afternoon, people. So,
How are you?
howdy, people. Hope the new year catches you guys in the best of spirit and the best of attitude.
It's been a very productive 2018 so far for us.
With the exception of the Lost Diamond.
Oh yes, the last diamond.
Yeah,
Today is
but the 11th.
11th of January.
Yep. And we're gonna try and make today a fun day for us because we're waiting for Jay at the moment. He should be on his way home from school because we've got a meeting.
Yeah.
As you know, he's 16. This is his last year in school, and we've got to go meet with some people.
Talk about his future, education, what he wants to do.
Apprenticeship as well. And
we have
a visitor. We have a guest.
Yes.
Our girl, where is she?
Coming around the corner. She'll be coming around the corner.
Can she come? Where is she? There she is in the background. So Z is here visiting from the UK.
You would remember her from the UK visit video.
Yeah, there she is.
Hi,
November.
everybody.
There she is. Z is here. She's been here now, was it 2 days?
This is her second day.
This is her second day. Usually when she's here, come on up. We're talking about you. Usually when she's here, we try to make it as fun as possible. But normally the first day when she arrived, whether or not she's jet lagged, we usually do like a whole celebration type thing, as if it's the first time we're seeing her, you know? But because of work and other things that we were doing, we couldn't do the celebration the first day. But last night,
We got a bit drunk.
last night we celebrated, and we've got a hooker. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Up there, yeah.
There it is.
We've got a hooker here. We bought this hooker 2 years ago. We don't smoke. we're non-smokers, but we live in Zurich.
Yeah.
And hookah bars are a big thing here.
Yeah, they are.
But you know, I've got a little OCD issue, so
You mean a major OCD issue?
you know, so the whole idea of putting public hookahs.
Even though they say they're clean properly and they put different plastic on the actual bit you put in your mouth and stuff. Well, yeah, after owning one inside and everything, and
It's better to have your own hookah. So we've got a hookah up here, and we don't smoke, and we've tried it before. It's fun.
Yeah.
Not recommending smoking, but we are adventurous, and we will try everything. We'll definitely insert some of our smoking clip in this.
Yeah.
We about to turn it on. That was a celebration. So today what we're going to do,
We're gonna wait for Jay to come home. All of us gonna hit the road to go to this office building. Then after there, we're gonna go to the supermarket.
Yeah.
I wanna do I bought some king prawns.
Okay.
And Zena, she loved prawns. She loved the big prawns.
I love the jumbo prawns.
You know, so I'm gonna do a meal today which involves king prawns. So that's pretty much our day today. But we'll try to keep it exciting and interesting to keep you guys looking. So until then.
Ciao for now. Bye.
Peace. So we're out and about 3 or 4 miles from home.
Yes.
And we're a little early for our appointment. So we're using the time for a stroll.
Taking a stroll, yes.
And enjoy the weather.
It's not so cold, not too hot. No, not even hot. Let's just say it's not too cold.
It's not too cold today. So we can walk slow. Don't even have my gloves on. So it's for January, this is good weather. Would you say?
It's a lot warmer than England, put it that way.
Yeah, weather is going crazy.
No snow anyway.
No snow. Happy?
Happy.
Yes, happy. Awesome. Some people love snow. I love snow depending on what activities we've got planned. Considering that we live in Switzerland, one of these days we should go to the mountain and just ski.
The Matterhorn.
Yeah, the Matterhorn I would love to see one of these days. It's just finding the time, making the time, you know.
We're gonna have to do it.
Yes. And that's when we will officiate that we've done all the landmarks in Switzerland. Well, major landmarks, you know. But now that we're vlogging, what we should do, we've covered some grounds already, but we should cover them again.
Yeah.
To show people, you know, to let you guys see Switzerland. Starting with our local.
Yeah, that is. It's like a high point. There's 2 high points that we've been to already in Zurich. One, there was a restaurant there called Restaurant Veit.
Yeah.
And that's like you can see
the whole city of Zurich. I think that.
Yeah.
That's good in the day or night.
Yeah, and then there's another one called Uetliberg.
Which we need to take you as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to see. You need to see Uetliberg. It's a high point.
Yeah.
And you can see the whole city of Zurich.
Yeah.
If I break these boots in, I'm up for anything. Right now,
She's having a little problem. She just got her leg out of a cast, so maybe it's not the best idea for her.
No,
because
let's hire some trainers. I wish she could get some trainers or something.
Because it's uphill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lot of walking to get to the point.
Yeah. And we must also vlog at the Zurich Lake.
Oh yes.
Yes. And we must also do the lake again. The boat ride. Yes.
I love the lake.
Yes. So that's it.
Yeah, we can do that.
Apart from getting a little bit seasick when that thing was rocking.
Yeah. Let's go, but we're gonna do that again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're approaching our building destination, and we'll vlog again when we hit the supermarkets. In the supermarket. I'm gonna pick up some bread. What else?
I don't know. I
Okay.
didn't make a list. We usually make a list. I didn't make a list.
Well, I want.
We're gonna go along and just, if we see something that we need now on our normal list.
I came here for coriander. I came here for coriander, so I got coriander. We need bread, and I said to you, we need some napkins. And you got to know what you want.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't know.
All right. Well, we'll see how it goes. Let's go have a look. vlog life, you should always keep the camera rolling. Because just now we left the supermarket and they've got this thing here that you can scan the receipt for a lottery and win something. You can win up to 1 million francs. And I just won, not 1 million francs, but
2 extra points.
I won some extra points. So the next time I shop, I'll get 2 extra points. But you see what I mean? We should always keep the camera rolling. Now we can't keep the camera rolling at all times, but you know.
Unless we have a super battery.
And a memory card. So
we are home from shopping
and
the meeting.
And the meeting.
There he is.
No.
So
Zena's over there relaxing.
I got blisters.
Uh-oh.
she's got blisters.
We like to walk.
While taking her.
But we don't like to walk.
Well, it's not the walking that caused it.
No, it's not.
She had an accident with her knee.
So.
I believe, Mom. It's
While-
not like we like to walk. It's just we don't have to go.
While we were out, Cory was texting, so I told him I'm gonna call. He's not here, so I'm gonna try to incorporate him in the vlog by calling him.
And if you watch our vlogs, especially the Jamaican holiday vlogs, then you know who Cory is. If you don't, stay tuned.
Cory is my eldest son.
Yeah.
Lives in Philadelphia, and he was here. Well, it wasn't here. He'll be here soon.
Yeah.
But
He's coming to visit us in Europe. He's never been to Europe before.
so this is
Yeah.
and I think then we will have a whole lot of vlogs.
Oh
you know,
yes.
You know, because Cory's here, so we have to do a whole lot of things to,
Yeah.
you know, treat him like a tourist, so
Here
to
in
speak.
Switzerland, we're
Yeah.
from England,
Right.
so take him to England.
Take him to England as well.
Our favourite country in Europe,
In Europe,
Paris.
yeah. You know,
Oh,
well,
Italy maybe even.
yeah. Oh yeah, take him to Paris.
Yeah.
And where else were in mind?
Well, you did say maybe Germany.
Oh, Germany is right there, so
So that's easy.
That's easy. Depends on where in Germany we want to take him.
But definitely England and Paris.
Yeah, those
Yeah.
are 2 definite places.
Yeah.
Anyway, let me call him real quick.
There you go.
There he is.
Hello.
Hello. So, hold on, he's got to put his earphones in.
You got to say hello to folks.
Yeah. What I'm saying I'm vlogging. I was waiting for you to, so I can get you involved in the vlog. You know?
Oh, yeah.
So,
I just came over there.
say hello to the vlog people.
What's going on, world? What's going on?
You know, we were just telling everyone that you'll be here soon,
Yeah.
and they'll see a whole lot more of you. And any subscribers that don't know you, if they go back to the Jamaica video, then they'll see you. You know,
They're gonna start seeing me a whole lot more.
that's it. That's it.
So, and Zena in the background.
Hold on. We're about to close this vlog. Usually we close this vlog off as 3 people. So we're gonna close it off as 4. Well,
5.
4.5. 5. So we're gonna wrap up this vlog now because it's getting dark. Then I have to go in the kitchen. And,
Until our next vlog.
So until our next vlog from Switzerland and Philadelphia.
Ciao for now.
Ciao.